This video will show you how to make a character kick a ball in Blender. Please watch up to the very end. Before you open Blender, let's first head to mixamo.com and download yourself a strike forward jog animation. I recommend saving it as an FBX. After downloading it, you can now go ahead and open Blender. When you open Blender, first press Delete to delete the default cube. Go to Files, then Import and choose FBX. Browse for the mixamo file you just downloaded, then import it. If you play it, you can see that the animation is already there. You can reduce the frame range to fit the number of keyframes available so far. I've put a link in the description of this video for the football model we are using for this tutorial. So go to File, then click on Append. Browse for this blend file and click on it. Click on Mesh to open it, then choose Icosphere. Now click on Append to append it. Click on this X to go to a side view, then press S to scale it down. Now click on this Y to go to another side view and press G then Z to move it along the Z axis. Press the space button to play the animation. Pause it where the foot just has to kick the ball. Select the ball and press G then Y to move it along the Y axis just in front of the foot. Click on this X to go to another side view and press G then X to position it well. Now come down here to Constraints Properties. Click here and add a child of constraint. Under Target, choose the armature. So now select the armature and switch to the pose mode. Come to the Object Data Properties and click on the drop-down arrow on Viewport Display and then activate in front. Select this foot bone in order to get its name from here. In my case, it's Mixamo Rig 1 right foot. Now go back to the Object mode. Select the ball and come back to Constraints Properties. Under Bone, search for the Mixamo Rig 1 right foot and select it. Now if you play it, you can see that the ball is affected, but as you can see, it kinda has an undesirable offset. To fix that, go to the frame where the foot just has to kick the ball and click on Set Inverse. Now you can see that the problem is fixed. If you play it, you can see that the ball is moving with the foot. So to animate it being kicked, come to the frame where the character just has to kick the ball. Go to Constraints Properties and right-click on the eye-looking icon, then insert a keyframe. Go to the previous frame and click on this icon to disable the constraint, then right-click to add a keyframe. Now look for another frame where the ball is supposed to be getting off the foot. Come to this icon and right-click to add another keyframe. Now go to the next frame. Now click on the Auto Keying button to turn it on. Press G to add a keyframe to it. Go to the next frame and press G, then move it somewhere in front here, ensuring that the foot cannot meet with the ball anymore. Now come to the Physics Properties and add a Rigid Body Physics. Click here to activate Animated. Now come to this last keyframe and come here, then click on this dot to add a keyframe. Go to the next frame and activate Animated, then click on this dot to add another keyframe. Now if you play it, you can see that the ball is kicked. Now press Shift A to add a plane. Press S to scale it up. Press S again, then Y to scale it along the Y axis. Press Tab to go to the Edit mode. Select these vertices and press E then Z to extrude them along the Z. Press Tab to go back to the Object mode. Go to the Physics Properties to add a Rigid Body Physics. Change its type to Passive. Now if you press play, you can see that the ball just disappears in the air. To fix that, come here to Shape and change it to Mesh. Now you can see that it's animating right. You can increase on the frame range for it to be able to hit the wall. Come to Surface Response and increase on its bounciness, then reduce the friction to make it react more like a ball. You can now go ahead to work on your scene and render. Thank you so much for watching up to now, I really appreciate. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest content. Also, let us know what you want us to teach you about Blender in the comments. I promise we'll make a video. Have fun animating. I sign out.